I start my day just from feeling so much pain already. So sometimes it can feel very like demotivating. I actually fell down a few years ago when I was younger, and actually it hurt my tailbone. So over the years, I kind of just like ignored it because the pain was not that bad. But the past like 2-3 years, when I realized when I was sleeping and then when I get up, it was so hard for me to actually sit up. I actually have to like hold the bed frame to like just pull myself up. And then sometimes throughout my day when I'm standing up too much or I'm sitting down too much, I can actually feel pain on my lower back. Yeah, so it's just very uncomfortable for me throughout the day. Before my first adjustment, I was actually pretty anxious, especially when I see videos online of people getting their bones cracked and stuff. But I realized actually it doesn't hurt at all. And I actually feel more relief in like the tension of my back. Even after the first adjustment, I could feel a change already. I think the biggest improvement for me is that when I wake up in the morning, I can easily get up from my bed now instead of having to pull myself with the bed frame. After going to Cairo, when I do all these activities, I realize that there is less tension and I actually can do these activities for longer without having to stand up and walk around. Thank you, Chiropractic First.